How to create a YouTube short from existing video. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a short from existing video on YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After YouTube opens up, you will see the plus icon on the bottom. Tap on plus. After you tap on it, make sure that you're on the shorts option. After you're there, you will see this option right here. Tap on it to go to your existing files, videos, photos on your device. After you're there, all you need to do is select a video. After you select a video, tap on done. You can change the length of your short here. Tap on done after you're done. And after you do so, you'll need to tap on this stick option. And now all you need to do is edit it and tap on next. And now what you can do is add a caption. You can change the visibility, location, and even select the audience. After you do so, tap on upload short and you've just uploaded your short. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.